Ito
you, sir.
naman po si Butch Bartolome.
Butch Bartolome, my sensei, my business mentor.
Welcome back sa ating final episode. Ngayong episode 3, ang pag-uusapan natin kung paano naging mentor si Rachel Leones. Paano niya pinalago ang Creatively Studio. At ang kanyang mga payo para sa mga gustong gawing negosyo ang kanilang talent at creativity.
From bahay, so that's the time na nagkaroon kami ng our first studio ng 2019. Nag-start kaming mag-set up, tas nag-attend ako ng KMME. And we're supposed to open ng 2020. I would remember, 2020 pandemic.
Tapos, nag-pandemic. O, yan.
So,
Oo.
i-open yung studio,
Ah.
i-close din siya. No? And then, so paano ako naging mentor? Kasi nung 2020, early ng pandemic, syempre close ang lahat.
Yeah.
But then, hindi pwede kaming magsarado kasi for the longest time. Kasi at that time, I already have employees. No, so naghanap ako ng paraan para talaga kami makabalik sa operation. And I realized during the pandemic, sir, ang daming nag-mushroom na mga MSMEs na gustong
Correct.
magnegosyo. So, yun. So, we were already providing creative services, and at that time walang gaanong open na creative services, lalo na sa printing. So
Correct.
nakaposition kami. So, and then there was a program si DTI na One Town, One Product. And they were looking for designers na mag-a-assist ng mga MSMEs within the province of Rizal. So ako naman, sir, kasi always willing po akong, kumbaga always willing ako pag sinabi sa akin, o willing ka bang mag-undergo ng program na ito? So sabi ko, yes. And it was like, parang a two-phase program. And after kung matapos yung program na yon, that's when DTI Rizal endorsed me to be part of the mentorship program. Kasi yung output ng program na yon is for you to assist the MSMEs doon sa creative aspect,
Exactly.
sa product
So, yeah.
development.
Oo.
So,
So,
nag-undergo.
yung Rachel, if you look at your milestone, you're really trudging on assisting communities, no?
Assisting community.
At the same time, creating that synergism between the communities in need and your services, no?
Yeah.
So, how big is the business now of Rachel and the husband? Creatively Studio. Alam ko there were times when I saw your posts wherein para bang hindi ka magkanda o gaga, dahil ang dami yung deliveries. Totoo ba yun? Tama ba yun? Para bang, eto ba si Rachel na nakita ko nung araw? Para bang, ano yung challenge sa iyo ngayon? Ano yung challenge ng Creatively Studio ngayon that you are seeing now?
Well, I would really syempre acknowledge the Lord for all of these blessings, sir. No, hindi ko din talaga naman ma-imagine paano kami nag-grow ng ganito. Kasi bahay lang kami, sir, before.
Yeah.
Tapos biglang nandito na tayo. Hindi ko din na-imagine parang paano tayo nakarating dito, no?
Exactly.
I think siguro if you continue to put quality and standards in the work that you do. Second is yung you ensure na relevant ka, you serve your community, hahanapin ka . So I think these are the two things na naging instrumental in our growth. So kasi apart from the usual na network that we have, yung kaibigan ng kaibigan, yun lang yung kliyente namin before . Until words are being spread and we get referred to other clients na hindi na namin kilala. And I would remember the first time na nagkaroon kami ng kliyente na hindi namin kilala. Parang I was jumping out of joy na parang, how did you find us? paano mo kami nakilala? 'Di ba kasi
Yeah.
hindi ka kaibigan ng kaibigan. So,
Uh-huh.
until nadagdagan po 'yun. Yung
Correct.
mga institutional clients, mga MSME clients, we get referred from one client to another. So,
Correct.
parang to me, hindi lamang measure yung lumalaki yung sales mo as an
Mm.
entrepreneur. I think
Mm.
one indicator of growth is yung lumalawak ang network mo, lumalawak yung
Exactly.
kliyente mo.
Kasi
So
parang ang lumalabas diyan, Rachel, we came up with direct experience of a customer. And
yeah,
that customer, alam mo naman, tayo customer din, di ba? When you want
yeah,
to make a decision, you
yeah,
want that product or service to cut short the decision time. In other
yeah,
words, ayaw mo yung matagal-matagal kasi right now the trend is actually yung mabilisan eh, no? Hindi yung
mabilisan.
it will take 1 year for me to decide,
Yes,
but if you can cut down to 6 months or even one month, and Rachel here is going to give me that solution, I will
yeah,
say yes. And
yeah,
then para bang and then na-deliver ni Rachel yung expectation ko. So anong yung ergo ngayon? Ang ergo
mm,
ngayon, ang customer may direct experience
yeah,
na the customer now will talk and say, "Uy, ang bilis ni Rachel. Uy, ang bilis ng
mm,
create." So anong
yeah,
nangyayari, nagkakaroon ng growth because
mm,
for other customers who never experienced you, it becomes now an indirect experience. Why? Because mismong customers mo ang nagsasabi, eh. Hindi mo naman sila
yeah,
binayaran, di ba? Hindi ito
yeah,
yung
yeah,
mga celebrity binayaran mo just to
yes,
endorse you, right?
yeah,
Independent sila, kusang loob. And I think you're a product of WOM, word of
yeah,
mouth, right? So,
exactly, sir.
so
Tama
this is
po
something,
yun.
oo, para bang nakakatuwa kasi ang iba kasi negosyo, para bang sabi na, sir, wala kami negosyo. Eh bakit, ano ba yung creativity mo? Ano ba
Yeah, you
yung
start with what you
social.
have.
Yeah, they depend on social media, but they don't depend on their core
Mm,
core nila.
mm,
What can you
yeah,
deliver in the social media,
yeah,
'di ba?
yeah.
Kasi kung yak-yak ka lang nag-yak-yak sa social media but you are not delivering, wala rin, 'di ba? So
Maganda
'yon.
yung input mo, sir, 'no? Ano yung
Oo,
skills na meron ka that you can monetize?
exactly.
'Di ba? If you don't have a capital, you don't have funds, try to reflect. What do you have that you
Mm.
can monetize and that can be relevant to others? I think isa pang magandang na-pick up mo, sir, from my experience is that siguro kami din kasi what we did was that we also invest back to the business. Parang
Yeah, yeah,
how do we make our services efficient? So would
exactly.
that mean adding more machine, adding more people?
Mm.
So kumbaga hindi ako na-limit dun, and this is one thing na natutunan ko din sa KMME, sa Kapatid Mentor Me program kasi before, as a creative person, sir, hirap akong mag-let go, parang
Yeah,
everything kasi I consider as a work of art. Parang
yeah.
ayokong kumuha ng other people. But then if gano'n kasi ang mindset natin, you cannot really grow.
In
Pang
other
ev
words, you're an island by yourself,
Yes,
Rachel. You're not willing to let go,
you're not willing to let
uh,
go.
or even let others, you teach others or share
Yeah,
your talent with others, di ba?
yeah. And meron po
Fantastic.
tayong mga MSMEs na
Yeah.
ganyan, na
Oo,
ayaw
oo.
mag-let go, ayaw mag-hire kasi
Yeah,
baka daw makuha, matutunan. Sabi ko parang I don't mind if they will learn from me.
exactly.
Wow.
Exactly. There are no secrets anyway. It's
Yeah.
actually the person's credibility, how people, in other words, you have competitors. I
Yeah,
have
yeah.
competitors. But where you stand and where we stand is actually how people look at us.
Hmm.
Uh, so some people would say, sir, ayoko na magnegosyo. Dami kong competitor,
Ay,
1,000. But again, a question is, what is your USP? What
yeah.
is your unique selling proposition? Kung
Yeah.
lahat kayo pantay-pantay na kulay, pwede mo bang ibahin ang kulay mo?
Exactly.
'Di ba? Pwede mo bang iangat ang sarili mo without
Mm.
being bragging, parang gano'n, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Yung mga testimonials, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Yan ang mga sinasabi ko sa iba eh. The way to grow a business is by using testimonials, di ba?
Yeah.
That's the most powerful way wherein people will say, wow, siya pala
Mm.
yung behind.
Yeah,
Di
yeah.
ba? Anyway, Rachel, eto, wow, grabe. Where can they find you? Ayan,
Yeah.
I'm sure a lot of people are itching their hands and they want to get in touch with you. They want to probably rub elbows with you and really collaborate. How can they
Mm.
get in touch with Rachel?
Yeah. So we have a physical store. We've actually moved to a new studio.
Mm-hmm.
We are located in Antipolo along Sumulong Highway.
Uh-huh.
So we just moved into the to a bigger space kasi hindi na kaya ma-accommodate doon sa previous space namin. So if you're familiar with Masinag in Antipolo, we're along
Yeah.
Sumulong Highway, no?
Uh-huh.
Pero dahil kakalipat lang namin, sir, so open naman kami for walk-in but expect may mga carpentry works pa ongoing. Then natutuwa kami kasi may mga walk-ins pa rin pumupunta din talaga, no? So if
Exactly.
you
So,
want to visit us, meron din kaming online pages. So if you can follow Creatively Studio,
mhm.
yung aming Instagram and Facebook page, Creatively Studio. They can also contact me if I can share my number, Sir Butch, no?
Yeah.
0917-865-6295 and email us at creativelystudio@gmail.com.
Wow. So, yan mga kaibigan we're talking to the person behind, the person who underwent a lot of road
Yes,
crossroad, sabi nga natin, di
yes,
ba? Intersection na hindi niya na alam kung saan siya pupunta, But again, the heart and the passion of creativity cannot stop. Hindi
yeah.
mo pwedeng pigilan. Para ba
Mm,
baby yan? Pwede mo sabihin
mm,
sa anak mo, huwag ka na lumaki
yeah.
lumalaki yan di ba?
Mm.
So yan. Again, Rachel, nako, maraming salamat at
Thank you so much, Sir
again,
Butch.
napagbigyan mo ko itong Sunday na ito.
Of
And
course,
I'm
of course.
sure a lot of people will want to see you, especially pag may mga Go Negosyo events.
Yeah.
Hanapin nyo lang si Rachel CL. Yan.
Yeah.
Yung naka-green shirt. Pag kami naka-green shirt, we remove all our image as
Yeah.
entrepreneur. We
Mhm.
become Go Negosyo volunteers. No? So, kaya sabi na iba, sir, bakit kayo lahat naka-green? Kasi lahat kami pantay-pantay
Mm.
dito. No?
Yeah.
So, iba-iba kaming klaseng mga mentors. No? Volunteers
Mm.
yan, volunteers. So, we
Mm.
never get paid. So again, thank you very much, Rachel. More power to Creatively Studio. And I hope to see Creatively Studio going beyond the shores, having clients overseas, and
Mm.
having a building aside from what you have now in Masinag. Malay mo,
In
baka
God's
magkaroon
will,
ng Creatively Studio building, hindi
in
masama.
God's time. Hindi natin masabi. Maraming
Yeah,
salamat din, Sir Butch. I hope that
yeah.
your listeners will get inspiration, inputs, and learnings from this session that we have.
Oh,
Thank you so
yeah. Thank
much.
you very much. Bye-bye and have a nice
Bye-bye.
Sunday. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Ayan, ito
Thank you, sir.
naman po si Butch Bartolome.
Butch Bartolome, my sensei, my business mentor.